Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. It is Monday, April 29th. Don't know actually. Anyway, so I am starting off the day by vlogging. I've actually already filmed 3 videos for you guys. So one of them was a Buff Bunny collection review that I need to upload today and edit today. One was a Dolls Kill try on, and the other was a little, do not mind my mess right now in the background. I'm going to show you guys my outfit right now. It is from Queenie. I'm not really sure, but they did send me some like workout clothes to review. This is what it looks like, and all that mess in my background is what I'm going to have to be cleaning up today because I'm going to be packing. I do move in 2 days, so today is Monday, I move Wednesday. And I will give you guys a little overview of my room right now because it is an absolute mess. Okay, here is my little filming area that I just got done filming. I have that light on. You guys, I just got a Dyson vacuum for my apartment and I have never been more excited for a purchase. I just tested it out, like vacuuming my parents' living room. It was amazing. Okay, I felt really bad because I got home from work yesterday and Brian had cleaned up this entire thing. Now I messied it. So yeah, I have to clean all that up. This is all stuff I need to put away. Have to give away some stuff. There's more clothes right there. I just did a whole try-on with all these clothes. Just tried on a lot of those clothes, need to put those away. I'm gonna use that box for my makeup when I move. I'm just gonna put all that stuff in there. I have to move this big mirror out. We're probably gonna do that Tuesday night. We are borrowing a truck from one of my family members, and then we're also gonna be using Brian's car. I have a very tiny car. I drive a little Mercedes, so there's not a lot of room in it. It's like a little C250, so it's pretty tiny, but I can definitely put some stuff in there. Right now I'm gonna go get some Starbucks because I am craving it and I want some, and I feel like that will just give me a little bit more motivation to do stuff. Not like I haven't had enough motivation because I've been filming for like the past 2 hours right now. But yeah, so let's go. Okay, we are here. We are in the car. I need to shut this. No. Okay, Hank is with me. Hi, Hank. Hi, Hank. Hi, baby. Hi. Whenever I go to Starbucks, are you okay? Oh, it's okay. What's wrong? Okay, I love you too. Whenever I go to Starbucks and we're in the drive-thru, he starts freaking out because, I mean, he hasn't even been to Starbucks like a lot, but he knows he wants a pup cup. So I'll get him one, but I'm gonna ask for like just a little bit of whipped cream because he's such a tiny little baby. Right, Hank? He's angry. Are you okay? I woke him up from a nap to come with me, so he hates me. Anyway.
Good morning, I'll be right with you. Just one moment, please.
Okay.
Sorry about the wait. What can we get for you today?
Could I get a large iced chai with light ice, please?
Venti iced chai, light ice.
Yes, please.
Anything else?
That's it.
All right, that'll be $1.98 at the window. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, so I just got back. It's currently like noon right now, so I'm gonna spend a little bit of time. I'm just using this box I got from Dolls Kill, and I'm just gonna pack all my makeup, or most of my makeup, in here, whatever fits. Honestly, I'm gonna do palettes on the bottom probably, just to keep like the flat surface. I don't have that much, I don't think I have that much makeup, but honestly I do. It's kind of cool. I'm not even good at makeup. But anyway, I don't know, we do have like just some plain boxes as well that we got from U-Haul, but I'm just trying to use my resources. Okay, so, fudge. Okay, one drawer down. And I have the IKEA drawers that like every person has on this planet, the white ones or the black ones. There's 2 colors, but you can get either or. Now I have just these little storage containers. I got all these from Target. They're like $3, $2 each. I just have so much random stuff. I'm not honestly sure. Like, I am completely fine with just tossing everything in here and calling it good. So, need to get new lashes. Oh my gosh. That is one thing I need to purchase. I hate purchasing makeup because it's like, oh, I don't need it, but it's like, I like trying new stuff. So I just need to. Yeah, I don't know. I'm pretty much just gonna be putting all this in here. I was thinking maybe I'll put like, I don't know, like powders together and stuff, but at the end of the day, I just need to pack all this stuff up. So it is Monday, like I said, and I'm putting all this stuff away now because I have just filmed literally like 3 videos, so I don't need to wear any more makeup. I do like to wear makeup in my videos just because it's, you know, looks a little bit nicer, but okay, so I'll have to wash all of these as well. Now we're on my foundation drawer. This is some of my foundations right here. I have a bunch of them just like laying everywhere else. So many Yeti stickers, what? Like, okay. Now I'm just gonna be putting, this is foundations. I feel like I'm in a rush, but I'm trying to get a lot of this done and then start editing my video that I need to get up today. I'm not sure when, of course, because yeah, but here we are. And then after I put all this stuff in here, I'm definitely gonna have to like duct tape it shut just in case. And wow, I really hope nobody drops it. It's gonna be heavy. Okay, that drawer is empty. These are all the things I will need to wash because I'm definitely going to be bringing them and everything else. And I found another perfume I was looking for. Now I have all these lip products. These are all lipsticks. Oh my gosh. Okay, some actual makeup that I use all the time. So there's foundation stuff in there. This, I just know this is gonna turn into a mess, whatever. Primer. I just went on a little business trip, so I had all my makeup in a bag. Yeah, all my makeup will fit in here for sure. I don't have that much more to go. I honestly probably should be taking a lot better care of my brushes and stuff, but I need to get new brushes anyway. So these are the little drawers I was talking about right here, the little Alex drawers. This is all my makeup right here in this pretty big box, honestly. So, and it's filled to the brim. So yeah, step 1 done. So now that I just packed my makeup portion of it, my mom came in and was like, why didn't you put them in like boxes? And I, you know, that made sense, but in the moment I was just like, just dump everything. But anyway, I am going to be editing my Buff Bunny collection review right now. Look at how dirty my screen is. Look at that. And then I'm gonna quickly be getting this up, but yeah, I just need to edit this. Okay, so I just finished uploading my video. Now I am going to be putting my clothes in here, and I'm gonna be putting clothes that I know I'm not gonna wear. And I'm gonna leave some, like, you know, random little bits out, but yeah. And I just got this at the U-Haul. So I'm this far. I've pretty much packed this entire box full, and I have a whole lot of stuff left. This video is just a realization of how much stuff I actually have and how much I need to get rid of. I didn't think I had that much makeup. I didn't think I had that many clothes. I need to chill. So it's currently almost 11 o'clock. This is what my room is looking like right now. I will actually show you guys just me doing everything, but I am honestly just trying to get stuff done right now. This pile right here is all giveaway, and I only went through 1 box, so I'll probably have to go through a bunch of boxes when I move, but right now I'm just gonna put more clothes in 1 box. So it is move-in day. I haven't vlogged much, but I will be I'll just show you guys. I feel like watching me move stuff is boring, but this is what my room is looking like. Pretty much out. I have 1 IKEA drawer out. I got the other one out. I need to take that one out. Just random stuff. Yeah, I am beyond excited right now. So we pretty much have everything packed. This is Brian's car, if you guys can even see. It is literally just packed to the brim. Our truck right there, and then my car right behind it. That is all packed. The truck is. My car is not fully packed. I have a few things in there, and we are literally just gonna have to make... Anyway, we're just gonna have to make 2 trips no matter what, because we have a mirror that we need to bring, a big long mirror, and nothing else can fit in that truck. And then we have the bed of the truck full. And like I said, we have Brian's truck full, so... Currently almost 11:30, and we have our appointment at 1. So the next clip you guys will see my apartment. Okay, so we just got here. I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of an overview, but nothing too much because I'm doing a whole separate video for this. But this is just our little kitchen right here. And then we have our living room. This is horrible lighting, but living room, dining room, and then the hallways are down there. So again, this is the end of the little vlog because I'm going to be doing a separate video. So again, thank you guys so much for watching my little packing vlog, and I will see you in my next video.